There are two main issues. The first one is that accessing the help files is key, right? So if you don't know how to use the software, you go through the help tutorials and that helps. But the problem with our software today is that it was, I think they were developed in 2000 and something, about 15, 18 years ago. So the platform on which the software developed are outdated. Unfortunately, we don't have any direct way of viewing these files. So I'm gonna have two videos. This first video is to show you how to access the help files so that, if you want to have this interactive help file on your laptop, you just access it through what I'm about to show you and you work with that. Now, if you try, it doesn't work for you, you can just forget about this video and go to the second video, which will take you through the tutorial. So I've put up everything that is in the help files. I've put them up on Canvas as PDF files. So you might as well just skip this video if you're not interested in doing that. But if you are interested in, figuring it out, then let's do that together. So to start with, I have a file here that has all helpful links. Now, there are a bunch of other things which I'll go down to later, but access to help files, we have the executable help file, which is the very first one. So we want to get that file. So click on that, open. Now here we scroll down. So I believe this is this is the page that most of us see when we try to access the help file. We just have to download this executable file, and that would help us to see this file. So basically, this x86 is for a 32-bit system, x64 is for a 64-bit system. I believe we downloaded and installed the 32-bit version, so we'll just go with this. So we click on here, and then this new page opens. We hit download. And right there, it's processing it. So I want to put everything in one folder. I have a ton of other things in here, so to make this easy, I'm going to send this file, just copy this, take it to my desktop, and put it in this particular folder. Now, of course, you don't have to do that. This is just my way of organizing the files for this tutorial. Now, we have this first file, right? Let's go to our second link right here, which says Magic File Emulator. Well, that's what I called it. Let's click on this. It takes us to a page that allows us to install an executable file, which would help us see the old versions of the help files. So this page opens. You could go through everything that it says and how to install it. But the key is that you hit on this magic zip file. It downloads here. Show in folder. I'm going to go ahead and copy it into my other folder, as I said, Reservoir Engineering folder. So I'm going to put that here. Okay. So we want to go ahead, extract this particular one. I'm just going to extract everything here. And it's all right here. Now if we try to, so these are the files that are inside it, right? So yeah, as we're talking about, we have a Windows zip file and we have a magic file. So we go ahead and extract the content of the magic files here to the same folder. All right, and then we click on this particular executable file, and that starts to run. So command prompt Windows. So just give it a few seconds. I have a couple of things running on my laptop, so it's a little bit slow, but just give it a few seconds and it'll start running. So now it says press any key here to continue. I just hit enter, and that's it. So this, is everything that was extracted from this magic file. We have a whole bunch of things here. The main thing we care about is this particular application. Now, the next thing we have to do is to open our Nero zip file, right? Wherever you extracted the files in, just go open that, and then you get the help file, put it on here, and that should open up. And this is what I mean by that. So where did I save my Nero files? I have this Nero right here. Okay. Let's go through the process again. I can extract the files again. Now I'm going to extract the files and put them in my specific folder, which I just created. And you don't have to do all this, but this is just to put them in this particular folder. So I'm extracting the files and putting them in there. And this is what pulls up right here. So this is all the extracted files from my Nero 3 right here. Here it is. And this is the help file, as you can see. So what we need inside the extracted, after we've extracted the files from the Nero zip file, what we need is this particular application. We need to make sure that it's in the same folder as our help file application that we extracted initially. So I'm going to copy this and move this to Reservoir Engineering right there. And as you can see, this is the help file we're looking for. So I click on this, left click, drag it down to my WinHelp. As you can see, open with Microsoft Help. We just drop it on there, let it do its thing, and then it opens up the help tutorial. So basically, this is the interactive help tutorial that comes with the neural network software. And I'm going to go through this tutorial in the next video, but this is it for now. Thank you.